If you're the kind of people that eat raw almonds, then you should watch this. I've always purchased this, and then I purchased 2 other kinds because they were like on special. No, I mean, we ate them because they're not inexpensive, but we finally just got these back, and oh my, all I can say is these are all the right size. They don't have a weird taste or a weird smell. And I wanted to show you because we keep ours, I had actually dumped it in here already, so that's why that's in here. But I wanted to show you guys that it is a perfect fit for this. And this is the 3-pound bag. So let's fill it up. It's gonna be loud. Take a few. But they fit perfectly in here. And guys, when I tell you that these are just my favorite. They have like a very like crunch, but they taste quality. Some of the other ones that I've purchased, the last 2 sets, I could not wait for them to be gone. So that's why I returned to this, and I made a mental note that I had to do a review because these are the ones that I love. These are the ones that my kids love. Like raw almonds, these are not roasted and they are not salted. Then Wild Soil. Look, you see how they're all uniform sizes? The last couple ones we got, we had broken pieces and some were little tiny babies and some were big. No. This, I'm not gonna buy anything but this anymore. So good.